Casey, I want you to invite me to 368.
So guys, today I'm not going to talk anything about tech and I'm not going to unbox anything today. But what I'm going to talk about today is going to be very interesting and exciting, and this video can change everything for this small channel. So let's get started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Now, the title of this video clearly suggests what the video is all about. Around 1.5 months ago, Casey Neistat, one of the most recognizable and influential creator on YouTube, initiated a startup named 368 with a mission to generate a hub for YouTubers, filmmakers and podcasters. He started this thing not only for big creators but also for the small creators so that they can kickstart their career.
When I first moved to New York City, how much I learned to appreciate space, because there's none of it here. Having to edit in a bedroom that I shared with another person, in an apartment that I shared with 4 other people, space is the most elusive thing. And when I got my studio upstairs, it was like the crowning achievement of my entire life when I got that 10, 12 years ago. And now this idea that I have this big, gigantic space that's not just about me, but something bigger than me, something that can maybe enable creators, or like the creator community here in New York City sucks, and I think it's because there's no central location. Maybe this can be a part of motivating all of that. Like all the things I've ever wanted to do and done and struggled to do in the world of videos and media and YouTube and everything else, like this is my go at that.
Till now, the construction of 368 is going on and Casey is doing his daily vlogs. In his vlogs, he has already invited several CEOs of big companies like Alexis Ohanian, CEO of Reddit, and Jack Conte, who is the CEO of Patreon, and he had told them to contribute for the creators through their app platforms.
Make art and make creative great.
What that is so important that you made a video that's that good to get my attention?
Well, ultimately what I want is I want creative people to be valued what they are actually valued at. I want there to be zero gap between what a creative person is worth and the money that they are given by the world.
That's a noble mission.
Yes.
I want all creators to be able to make a living doing what they love, which is, I assume, creating.
Besides that, he has also invited some big creators also like MKBHD and Peter McKinnon to 368. I am really impressed with all the hard work he is doing, and I want to talk to him, and I want to tell him that please invite other small creators like me too who are from the other countries. I know it's not possible for you to search and invite creators all across the globe, but I have also seen you are planning a space for public in 368.
Probably the biggest thing is what's happening behind me here. See, we can't open up this entire space to the public because, well, we're trying to work in here, but we want to build a space in the very front of the store. We want to build a space that's like, you know, we have hours, and maybe it's open 1 day a week, or maybe it's open 2 days a week, or maybe it's open more than that, I don't know, but a space that people can come into. We want to have a merch store in here. We want to have a space where you can do like installations, video installations, art installations, who knows? That's happening in real time.
It's a fabulous idea, but I also want you to have a separate space for tech YouTubers as well, and it would be great if you can give a chance to me and my partner to share some of your space at the 368 and make some awesome tech videos. I hope that you and Dan will see my video, and I will wait for your yes so that I can get my tickets to New York ready in time. I will also tag you in my Twitter post. You can reply there as well. So, hope to meet you soon, Casey and Dan, and if you are watching this video right now, have a quick look at my channel before leaving. Hey guys, this is Piyush from Tech Telepathy, and my channel mainly focuses on tech news. Xiaomi recently launched the Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So guys, recently you all have heard about the Facebook's Cambridge Analytica scandal. Tech reviews. Moving to the hardware department, both the smartphones, but this is just the first beta on the Pixel 2 and it claims can offer 12 days of standby time and 15 hours of video playback. On the sides of camera, we are having LED flash and the heart rate monitor.
An unboxing of new gadgets.
On holding that phone, it feels quite premium. Starting with the display, the normal P20 is rumored to have 5.8-inch LCD panel. I hope you like my video and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting videos like this in the future. For the time being, goodbye and see you in the next one.